Hi guys, this is our first tutorial on JavaScript. So I expect you to have already Notepad or Notepad++. You just click your Notepad or Notepad++ and you open and you create a new file, and that new file we're gonna make it to call it java.html. So I'm gonna save the file before I create the code. So I'm gonna save it on desktop and we call it java.html. So that's our JavaScript. What file where we're gonna run it? So you say here script, you enter script, okay, type equals to text Java script. Okay, after writing that, then what you have to do is to close this tag and say script. Yes, so you come inside in here. Guys, don't forget to subscribe please on our channel, because we're gonna do a lot of tutorials. So then you come in there and say document dot write, then you have to put this semicolon to, it means you've closed the line. So you come in here and say anything, maybe your name is James. So you save this and we go and find our page. Where is it? It's called Java, this one. We're gonna run it and see what it's gonna give us. You see it typed James, so we can make it James is here. Can make it a little bit longer. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, and you see that James is here. So you can also delete this and make it to be a pop-up alert. Okay, once you save that, it's gonna give you the same results but in a different way. You see, now it popped up here and said James is here. So in case you're dealing with numbers, you just delete this. You don't need quotes. You say 1 2 3 4, then you save, then you refresh. It says 1 2 3 4. You can see. You can also do the same thing. We can back document.write and put numbers here like 1 2 3 4 5 and save. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, and this is our first tutorial in JavaScript. JavaScript is not that difficult and is a very relevant language to learn. So guys, that's the end of our tutorial. Please, we're gonna come back in the second tutorial, part 2 on JavaScript. And please don't forget to subscribe, and you can comment if you need us to do something for you. Yeah guys, that's all, and thanks. Bye. See you in the next tutorial.